Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video today we're going to be talking or making the snake game. Yep, the snake game where the snake eats an apple and it grows and then you gotta keep on going until you lose. So your first thing is the wiring. So we're going to be using a joystick to control our snake, which is going to be on this LED matrix right here. Okay, excuse me. So first of all, it's ground. Of course you gotta connect the ground to the ground. Just my my yellow wire ground. Next one is 5 volts. It's quite hard to make y'all see it, but yeah, 5 volts, which is a green pin connected to 5 volts. And we got the blue wire, which is connected to something called VRX. So VRX is going to be connected to A0. And then the very next one is the purple wire, which is VRY. VRY is going to be connected to A1. So VRX and VRY, basically, it's kind of like the coordinate plane. Right here is X, this is Y. Now, the X and Y, it goes from 0 to 1023. So 0, 1023. So the rightmost is 1023 and the leftmost is 0. That's how we can really see how it works. So now there is a way to code this, and you can use the serial monitor to see, like, if it's all the way over here, it's going to show 0, and if it's all the way over here, it's going to show 1023. Now why 0 to 1023? Because it's counting on 10 bits. 10 bits, so 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1024. 0 to 1023 is 1024 numbers. So it is 10 bits from up, that's 0, and that's 1023. Now the black wire, you don't really need to wire it, but I did. So basically what the black wire is it's a button. Yep, so it's gonna be SW, sorry. And you have to connect it to one of the digital pins. In this case, we're not going to be using the button since it's the snake game. You just keep on going until you lose, and it shows you the score. And then that's it. We're not going to be using the button, so I just put it there since it would be a little less confusing. Now, it's time for the code. So in this case, you have to include Arduino graphics, which is going to be for like words, and then we have the LED matrix. That would be our LEDs right there. Okay, so very first thing, this right here is just saying our snake, how big it is, how big it starts, and everything. And over here, this shows how the snake grows. So every single time it eats an apple, it grows by 1. And this code right here is kind of like saying the computer, hey, if it eats an apple, which is going to spawn randomly, which is this one right here, then it will grow by 1. Okay, and right here, this code is going to be the one that resets our game. So if y'all know the matrix, it's 12 by 8. In this case, 0 to 8, it's 0 to 12, and 0 to 7, 0 to 11, and 0 to 7. So basically what happens is if the snake goes below 0 or above 11, it resets the game. Why? Because below 0 means it's outside of the grid, and above 11 means it's also outside of the grid. Same here, if it goes below 0 or above 7, then the game resets. And then, yep, this right here is just a bunch. And then right here, this is showing our words. Okay, so it's kind of like animating in the sense our words. So whenever we start, whenever the game ends, it's kind of gonna show like this design, and it goes score, and then brackets 0. Okay, and then rest right here, game over, all this, and yeah, let's get to see if it works or not. Okay, I'm plugging it in right now. It's plugged in. Now let's upload this bad boy. Alright, compiling sketch. So I'm compiling. It's quite hard to play with it in one hand since the joystick don't won't like stay in one place, but yeah. Well, on the phone it looks like it's flickering in the sense, but really it is not. It is running quite smoothly. So yeah, so basically how it records the points is if we start by 3, so we start by 3, so yeah, that's it. Check it out. And then boom, 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 boom. Oh no. So, boom. Okay, why can't I get that apple right there? And if you do hit yourself as well, if the snake bites itself or hits itself, it also runs out. So yeah, it shows that design and then it shows score 0. So it seems like it's flickering, but it's not. It's running quite smoothly if you're using this. So yeah, that's it guys. Here's another look at the code. Now I realized something that's really been bugging y'all out probably, but whenever I show my code, I don't really put it into the description or anything. It's probably extremely hard having to look at every single one of these and write it in whatever you're using to write the code. So this time I'll make sure to put the code in the description, but also make sure y'all understand it, because if you don't understand it, there's no point in learning how to code or do Arduino. But yeah, hopefully you have some fun with the game and learn something new today. Bye bye.